Hey there YouTube, it's Zweihorne, and this is Monster Absolutely Zero. And it comes in this nice blue purple can with a black monster symbol. It's pretty cool looking. It features 0 calories and 0 sugar up here on the top. So let's take a look at the contents. Let's remember it's a 16-ounce can, 473 milliliters. So multiply these by 2 because it's an 8-ounce serving in a 16-ounce can. Again, it has 0 calories, 0 grams of sugar, and 100% of your daily values of vitamin B2, B3, B6, and B12. It has 8% of the daily values of sodium and 1,400 milligrams of the energy blend, which includes taurine, panax ginseng, L-carnitine, caffeine, and some other non-pronounceable things. So this monster obviously is kind of marketed toward the crowd that doesn't like the fact that energy drinks have sugar and all those calories, and it's a decent idea. You know, saving your calories for things that you eat rather than things that you drink is probably a good idea. Not drinking empty calories is one of the big, well, a major point in many diet plans. But anyway, has a blue top, or a blue cap here. It's kind of cool, but let's get a crack. Sometimes what I notice is that things with 0 calories and 0 sugar and all of that, they kind of sacrifice taste, but I guess we'll see if that's the case here. So let's get a first taste of Monster Absolutely Zero. The first thing that I notice is it's not as harsh as the original Monster. It has a little bit lighter taste, a little bit less caffeination, or not caffeination, but carbonation. It tastes almost as if you had taken the Monster flavor, taken out that harsh sort of cough medicine-y taste that some people like and some people hate, and then distilled that and thrown that flavor into about a gallon of water, and then this is what came out of that. So basically it's a watered down version of Monster, and it's a little bit sweeter and 1,000th times as harsh as the original Monster. So if you don't like the harshness of Monster, this may actually appeal to you. And if you don't like a ton of carbonation, like is present in some energy drinks, this will probably appeal to you as well. It's a very light flavor, a very light feeling in your mouth. It's very easy to drink. Now, as many Monsters as I have had, I haven't had an Absolutely Zero in probably a year and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off, and then I'll be back and let you know what kind of energy it gave me. Monster Absolutely Zero surprised me in that its quality of energy was very similar to Monster, or the original Monster, in that it's a very clean energy. It's not going to hype you up too much. It's not going to like put you over the top to where you're shaking and like not knowing what to do with yourself. But it also did not have the original Monster's ability to sort of pick you up, get you ready to go, and get you motivated to go out and do things. And I think what that is the lack of sugar in Monster Absolutely Zero. The sugar in the original Monster, I think, is the driving force for the get up and go type of energy. Now, that being said, Absolutely Zero does lift you up. It does give you this clean sense of higher energy output. I mean, that's the best way that I can say it. It's like drinking an energy drink, but not knowing that you drank an energy drink. It's kind of like if you had an hour or two or more sleep and you're feeling fresh and recharged. That's the kind of energy that Absolutely Zero is going to give you, and I think that's very attractive to a lot of people. So Absolutely Zero, very good. its taste is a little bit lighter than the original Monster. That's gonna wrap up my review. And as a reminder, I post these reviews on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then one on the weekend, either on Saturday or Sunday. So you can either look for them then, or you can subscribe to me. If you look in the description below, there is a link to my original Monster review video, as well as a link to the playlist where you can see all of the reviews that I've done in this series, and I think it's up to, well, shoot, high 20s now. So anyway, have a good one, guys.